So I've got to give you a quick talk on industrial technology and vet metals. So what I thought I would do is just the two senior metalwork classes that are available next year. One of them is the vet course. Now, first thing I need to explain about the vet course is that it is a non-ATAR course. So if you're a person who is not doing an ATAR next year or doesn't intend doing an ATAR, then this course is fine for you. The industrial tech is an ATAR course, so you can sit an exam for it and do it as included in your ATAR. The two differences. We'll wander down here and have a look at some of the projects. So the vet metals, which is basically a TAFE course, is basically one project per term, and you do 2 competencies a term. If you decide to leave before the end of the course, you will still get credentials. You get a certificate of attainment. If you complete the course, you get a Cert 1 in metals and engineering. Okay, some of the projects we do in Year 11 with that course is just basic fabrication. This is a set of stumps. This is a sash cramp. This one here is always pretty popular. It's a little camping stool. In Year 12, you move on to where it gets a little bit more complicated. This is a motorbike lifter. You can see it's got actuator there. We always like to do some stuff for camping. This is a little barbecue there and another little barbecue there. Basically, like I said, it's one job per term with the vet course. Very popular course, very good for people that might be looking to get into the workforce before the end of before they finish school. Okay, the industrial tech, a little bit different. So if we have a look at the industrial tech, it's a much more, it's for students who may want to do an ATAR. You have to complete the entire course and sit an exam, complete a major work and complete a folio. Those 3 major components of the course is what you get judged on for your ATAR. Some of the projects we do for that in Year 11, like to get the kids to make a mechanics crawler, some form of a barbecue. Usually you only do 2 jobs in Year 11, you'll do that one there. And this is a little cabinet that some kids are making, and I also like to get them to make a barbecue here. There's only 3 terms in Year 11, so 2 projects is usually enough. All right. When you get into term 4, that is when they start their major work. So you've got 12 months then to make a major project. I'll take you for a quick whip around. This is a major work that one of my students made. This is a mini bike. You can see I've got a couple of my students here working on them at the moment. So we'll just go around and have a quick look at some of the major works the kids have been doing. This is a mini bike here. We've had that outside. He's currently pulling that down to spray it now. That's been made by one. This one here is a little trike. As you can see, it's got a 6.5 horsepower. A lot of these components you can buy on eBay quite cheaply, and we took that out for a run yesterday. Excellent. Another guy here, he's pulling this one down to spray. That's a mini dragster. Got the motor on the floor there. Not everybody likes to make motorbikes. This one here is a weights bench with his leg and so forth. Mainly fabrication, okay, for the kids that want to do. Probably not going to score that greatly for an ATAR, but the kid wanted a weights bench, so that's great. This one here is probably one of the most complicated ones. This has got full suspension. It's another great go-kart. He's just ordered some front wheels. Again, eBay, very cheap, so it's not going to cost you the earth. This one here is the boy who's making this one. Brendan, where are you? This is he's designed this as a vintage go-kart. So he's got a 1970s Victor lawnmower on it with the old-fashioned tank, and he's tried to design this one as a vintage go-kart. So they're the sorts of projects that we've been making here for a few years now. Highly recommend both courses. We really enjoy having serious metalwork kids taking the course because it's a really enthusiastic course. Anyway, I hope to see you all next year taking metalwork. Thanks very much.